Hi guys! Welcome back! Today is the second day of our Taipei trip and we're very excited kasi medyo packed yung day namin today. Ano yung gagawin natin today?
We'll go first to Chiang Kai-shek,
Correct. And then after that,
Red
Red House
House.
kami.
Tapos we'll have probably our lunch sa Ximending.
Okay, so baka later this afternoon, magsispend na kami ng time sa Ximending area naman. Kaya,
Yon. So we're set. Okay, let's go. Labas kami ng room. Okay.
always remember us this.
Sakay kami na elevator. Our hotel is not so bad kasi marami namin din malapit na landmarks and tourist spots. Actually, sa Taipei 101, parang 2 kilometers lang.
Correct ka dyan, Taipei 101.
101, Taipei 101.
We're here in front of our hotel. It's Guide Hotel Taipei Bade, located in Songshan District. Not too far naman from the city center. We chose this hotel kasi medyo we like it,
Crowded.
hindi masyadong crowded. Usually when we travel, gusto namin yung try to reach a city center was not too far and we're comfortable with the area.
It's 8:46 in the morning, so maganda yung weather ngayon sa Taipei. Actually, upon checking, it's 13 degrees, guys. Ayan. It's 13 degrees. So, sunny naman yung weather forecast today. So, maganda yung weather. So, our itinerary for today will go to Chiang Kai-shek. And then afterwards, we'll go to Red House. And then probably we'll have our lunch sa Ximending area. Ayun. It's my first time or our first time here in Taipei. It's good to know na ang lamig ngayong December, no? So, kaya masarap din mamasyal. So, 7 days and 6 nights kami by the way dito. So, we'll explore Taipei. So, tomorrow naman we'll join the day tour. So, we will go to the north part of Taipei. We're actually just waiting lang yung mga seniors and then magbo-book na ako ng Uber later. Ayun. Andito na pala sila. So, ayan. Hello! Ayan, good morning. Ayan.
Sila Derek
Ah.
na sila Obe, ano?
Magbo-book lang kami ng Uber.
Okay, we're here at Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. It's nice din pala if like coming over, we just took Uber. So we downloaded the app. Yun lang kasi if like for example, you're traveling with yung mga seniors nyo, like kami today kasama namin yung seniors namin. So we could have taken sana nga, mas gusto sana namin public transportation, like probably pwede kami mag-train or bus coming over, pero we chose to take Uber para mas comfortable yung ride ng parents namin. So not so bad. Mabilis yung biyahe namin, maaga pa siya. And ang ganda ng araw today, so we're very happy. Ang ganda. Parang yun.
Mga bed-to-bed.
Number 321, 332.
Only one sugar. ถ้าถึงใส่ซีมัน
아니.
하나
Number 322.
Sweet pork.
Baby drink, quick report. 333,
Di sila mother.
Hindi, try naman natin na. Picture tayo.
It's really good. Tama nga, sarap talaga ito. That's why pa super popular dito. Lagi na ako talaga. Okay, time for Don Don Donkey. It's Donkey. Yay! Donkey! Ay, ayun pala si Donkey. Donkey. Takot tayo dyan.
Yeah.
Story yan. Ay, mali.
Ayun.
We just bought, ito tayo, a power bank.
Donkey, yan.
Dong.
Donkey.
Tapos,
Donkey.
guess
And
what?
what else?
Ayan. Cap. Ano
Hindi,
to?
that's not a cap.
Okay.
Lalagyan siya
Ito
ng
ang
shower
pinaka-cash
head.
dyan. May bayad.
Bayad.
Yung tayo $1 itong bag na ito.
7 lang naman ito.
Kaya dapat magdala tayo ng sarili
Dapat
natin
magdala kayo
bag.
ng bag kapag mamimili kayo sa
Sayang.
Donkey kasi sayang yung 7.
Pero souvenir na rin.
$7.
Souvenir na rin.
Sa bagay, souvenir na nga.
Okay. We're back.
Sama na kami sa hotel kasi ang mga seniors napagod na. So, ayan. Kasi may susi.
Asa ka ba?
Sa'yo.
Nasabi mo susi.
Shopping.